Hi, my name is Todd Carter and I'm with Sprinklers Incorporated. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a soft drain on your system. This is a process you want to do when temperatures are getting below freezing outside, but we're not worried about the ground freezing. We just want to protect our exposed plumbing features. So I'm inside the mechanical room here, and what you're going to want to do is find your shutoff. And pretty much I'm just going to give a quick synopsis of what you can expect to find in your mechanical room. It's typically going to be close to your water heater. So wherever your water heater is in the house, you're typically going to find your water meter close to it. And real close to that meter, you're going to find your shutoff for the sprinkler system. So just a real quick synopsis. This is the house shutoff, PRV, water meter. There's a second shutoff to isolate the water meter. And then when you come up here, it tees off. So this line goes to the house and the water heater and all that, but this line here goes outside to your sprinkler system. So you can see it's on right now, and what we want to do is we want to turn it off. Now there's a couple things here. We have a drain here. We want to open that drain, but only if you've got something to catch the water right away. If you don't have this, what you actually want to do is go outside first, prep everything outside, open it up, and then come back in here and open this, because once you open this right now, you'll see it actually kind of holds a vacuum, and it won't all drain down. So you want to make sure that it is you open it up after the vacuum's broken, so it drains down. This line's actually pressurized right now. That pressure should bleed off pretty quick because I had it on outside, but the line shut off. So there it goes, and you can see it's running that water out, but it won't get all the water out until you prep everything on the outside. And typically what I do with these is we tape them. We tape them to the pipe so you don't lose them. We don't like to leave it. We like to leave this open, but we like to tape that to the pipe so we don't lose them. Okay, so now we're on the outside of the house here, and we want to go ahead and prep everything out here. So we've already turned off the water. In some cases, you might have the drain open with a bucket underneath it to catch any extra water, or the drain might be closed downstairs, and so you'll have to go down there to open that after you're done out here. But the first thing you're gonna do is just kind of work backwards. You got a green lid valve box, typically close to the device here, and there's gonna be a drain in there. This guy's a little gate valve, but you just wanna open him up so he drains out. In some cases, you'll have a ball valve like this. Any ball valve you have on the system, wherever it's at, you want it half open, half closed. Parallel with the flow of water is open, and perpendicular is closed. You want it half open, half closed. There's a ball with a cylinder cut through it, and if it's fully open, it captures water between seals, and it will cause light frost damage. And if it's fully closed, that cylinder cavity in the sphere will hold water and blow out the ball valve. So you want to make sure it's half open, half closed. Remember, there are two ball valves here as well. Same story, half open, half closed on these ones. Lastly, a lot of times you got a drain from where it comes out of the house to before the first ball valve. You want to open that up. Typically when you open this up, that breaks the vacuum and allows more water to drain inside. And that is the process of soft draining. Doing this process, everything will gravity drain out of this device here and down into here, and you won't have to worry about freezing temperatures damaging this component out here. The ground will insulate the pipes, and they'll be just fine.